Hi, I'm Paul.
I'm Chris.
And this is H&I's
Just two guys.
Talking Cars.
That's what we do.
So today the topic of discussion is hybrids and electric vehicles.
Yes, because there's lots of them out there these days. And just so you know, H&I can take care of all your needs on those vehicles as far as all the mechanical things that are the same, just like your regular cars. As examples?
Tires, brakes, bearings, suspension.
Yep. And then even interior stuff like door handles.
Door handles, good point. If you have a Tesla Model S, and I'm sure you're well aware, you've heard about people having problems with the handles not coming in and out properly. Trying to get into Tesla, as you've had service need to be done, it could be 2, 3, 4 weeks, maybe even longer. So if it's something that's simple, getting into your car is probably kind of important.
Yeah, I want to.
Door handle working? Yeah. So we have done several of them here at the shop. We use factory Tesla parts, and then we get you in and out back on the road quickly, and that way you can actually use the door handle, get out of your car instead of having to jump in Bo and Luke Duke style.
Yeah.
Unless you're into that.
So I know the Teslas are, a little more less maintenance, but that's okay. But when it gets to your hybrids, that gets a little more involved as far because you still have a gas engine. So you got to do what? Fluids. And you got to do brakes and suspension, just like all other stuff. Correct. But one thing people don't know, the Priuses actually have a problem with the rings getting gummed up and stuck, and it'll start burning a lot of oil.
So if you're having that inherent problem with yours, you could be in that boat.
Yeah.
Why does it do that?
Well, it does it because the engine's not running, so that raw fuel kind of gums up, just like old carburetors used to do.
Okay.
It gets stuck around the rings, and it just makes them cause what they call blow-by, which makes your engine burn oil. So you go to Toyota, and you know what they say? You got to replace all your rings. You come to H&I, we have a hybrid kit that will actually go in there and clean all that up and actually improve it by 50-fold.
Wow. Well, that's money well spent.
It is. So it is a little expensive, but it's nowhere near as expensive doing rings.
Right.
So if you have a hybrid that is burning oil, come see us. We can probably help you out.
Ask me what this is.
Oh, you know what? He's got a special thing inside that. Very fancy velvet bag.
Guess what this is?
Hockey puck.
No.
Some sort of puck.
It is a puck.
Okay.
Good call. What this is a specifically designed puck that goes on the lift when we lift a hybrid and or electric vehicle to protect the battery pack that's in the base of the vehicle. If you don't have these and you go to a shop that doesn't and they lift your vehicle, there's a chance that the battery pack could be damaged. And then you're in a whole big world of hurt when you find out how expensive it is to replace the battery pack on an electric or hybrid.
So really, it's very important on the hybrids. But did you know there's lots of places out there that don't even know how to lift a regular vehicle? You see it all the time where they have little things that are bent when they put their lift forks because they just stick them there wherever they can. Right. So very professional here at H&I Automotive. We're going to take care of all your needs, gas, electric, hybrid. Come see us.
Please do. I know you'll be pleased. Well, that concludes this episode. So
yeah, I think that was a good one too.
I think we did good.
All right. Awesome.
See you in the next one.
On H&I's
Two guys.
Talking Car Stuff.
See you next time.